GT girl.
Yeah, GT girl.
GT girl twice.
Yeah, so this is 31,000 from GT girl towards the project.
GT girl. GT girl. Only for blessing and enough love, you know. See, for the program I done it, you know. It reached far, you know. Yeah, you see, so you have a lot to really left to go, you know.
If this is not love, tell me what I am feeling. Jah love of this whole world turning. Love is here for each and every one. Show love, it no matter where you come from. If it's not love, tell me what I am feeling. Kino, you have this whole world turning. Love is here for each and every one.
Memories, watch all if you could have. You know, as me I walk through years, pure cool bombs, I truly can't see it.
And a real talk, the man talking.
You know, truly can't see it. One time I used to have Trenchtown Comprehensive High School. So now it's changed now to Polytech College. So now I'm entering back my school. Watch it, guys, only if you could have seen the goosebumps underneath my skin right now. You know, first me I step back from leave the school here. Whoa! 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 So this is the auditorium where all devotion used to keep.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote, can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well guys, blessed love, blessed love, blessed. Well guys, as you can see, I come to get the pipings for the shower. You know, come and get the pipings for the shower. So you know, say the shower and also the kitchen. You know, run the water pipe, the sewage pipe. So today we're running all the pipes then, you know, that meant to run to go inside the house. So yeah, says me and Mother Teresa here out and about. You know, it's really early in the day, you know, so most of the members them that usually here not here as yet, so we're running the early errands because the builder, the main thing, the builder is here, you know, naturally is on site today, so that's the main thing. So we're gonna get the ball rolling. I know the ball have to roll, you know, we're ain't playing no game, but the ball have to roll. So this is the ball of rolling today. So once we get this out the way, you know, next thing is going to be like the tiling, you know, to get the bedroom tile, you know, and also the bathroom. So that's what we're going to need to get done next, guys. So we're going to look, you guys support for helping out and the tiling after worship, you know. So we're always going to ask you guys, we're going to ask you guys to continue to support us, you know, on this journey. So we're going to need some support to get this tiling done. You know, for the bedroom, the bathroom, you know, the kitchen counter. So working with what we got now, so you know, so the help is always needed, and I thank you so much for helping out on this project, you know. So this is it now. So we're on to the next step. The next step is the pipings, you know, and then after now the tiling. You know, and then know after that now, hey, paint and furnish out, and then know house opening. So we're on the journey, guys. Journey. So thank you so much, you know, for supporting this program. So the cart is running. It is going downhill now, so we don't need to be pushing. It's going downhill. Well. We need some as well too. You need to come give me some assistance. Anchor style, Jamaica style. Anchor style, Jamaica style. This is the inner city taxi. This is how we run the taxi. Yes. This is our inner city taxi, you know. Get things move around. Reach a pipe and stuff.
Bounce it down. Now bounce out this man. Yeah. It's the elbow you bounce out of that. Next time, yeah. Bounce up that back, bounce up that back. Yeah, good. Right here. Let's see how long for this. Yeah. Alright now, you know what? You see a look up piece there? You see a look up the flange there? Yeah, make piece off on it. Push it and catch that. No man, I can't hold man. Give me that.
No, I'm going to come to that. Push up if you want to work.
Come for your tape then, come.
Wait, stay here.
The next one. The next one. Oh, no. For one. Turn to one for one.
The guy there was good. That's it.
Yeah.
Whoa. And the window is cutting out.
Very careful. Wow. Very careful. Check out this.
No, no, yeah. Rock your nice, this rock. Up and down, up and down. Yeah, that man.
Volcanic. Yeah. Well connect. Aye. So this is it, guys. This is it. Well connected. Everything connect. Whoa! When them drop a load in a that it run go right down there, so I'm bop. You can't start shoot. You can't flush it. You can't bucket.
You know what I'm weird, you know, let's wait till it's complete, you know?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. It's complete.
Yeah, boom. Well guys, well. So as you can see, the work is moving nice and smoothly, and the guys, the team members, are working like a steam train. You know, we have to give thanks, you know, to the members. Then I want to thank them so much, you know, for volunteering to give them the strength. So guys, remember, this charity is a volunteer charity. Everyone volunteered to give a time to help out each other. You know, it's a monetized game, you know, everyone helping out each other. I would thank them so much, you know, also for the donors and that reach out to help out the Wow Chef and others them that been help out in Trenchtown. You know, so, you know, we got some donation here, you know, to give to some of the members them, you know, for the donors them that reach out to see the hard work that they're doing and then willing to help out to give us strength, you know, by doing so, you know. So while they're working, I'm just gonna go around and give them some donation, you know, so I don't want to stop them on the work that they're doing, you know. So we have Wow Chef, we have Natural is here, Tal P, we have Barney, out here we have Boom, Prefect, Rasta Jackson, and we have Mother Teresa, you know, is here. So guys, I'm just gonna give us some donation, you know. So we can start off with the builder himself, Natural. So as Natural, we now stop the man from them work. So I'm just like go around and give out this quick and fast. So I have 3,000 here for here from Empress Sandra and Val, you know, from the USA. 3,000 from Empress Sandra and Val.
Empress Sandra and Val.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. Appreciate the donation to the team and thank you very much. Keep it going.
Yes, sir.
Big up yourself.
And them say Natural, them love what they're doing, you know. Them say use a godsend, you know. So Barney, your name up on the list as well too. So I must give you 3,000 a year from Empress Sandra and Val. respecting Sandra and Val. Respecting that's some other name, some other name in a Val. Val McFarlane. Keep it yourself now and thanks and blessing.
Yeah,
yes, sir. Every time. One tall piece. So we have 3,000 here for you as well too from Empress Sandra and Val.
Empress
Sandra.
And Sandra.
No, Empress Sandra.
Empress Sandra.
And Val.
And Val. What for respect, you know, what for love, you know. God bless you all. You hear that? And Extension family. But they are doing the work, you know. Whoa, chef!
Whoa, you know? Whoa, yeah. On the wall, so we have whoa. So we have 3,000 here from Empress Sandra and Val.
Empress Sandra and Val. Boy, original Sandra, I'm checks a second street to come from, you know? Big up Sandra, yeah. Yeah, man, Sandra. Enough love, holy blessing, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, yeah. Alright, yeah. Enough blessing, Sandra.
Merci.
One love, man.
So we have 3,000 here from Empress Sandra and Val.
Empress Sandra and Val, blessing and one love and thanks. Blessing. Keep on to the work. Extended family love on us.
From Empress Sandra and Val.
Empress Sandra and Val. Enough love, enough respect and thanks, you know. Really appreciate it. Bless upon yourself. One love.
Alright, Mother Teresa from Empress Sandra and Val, $3,000.
Empress Sandra and Val, many thanks, many grateful, and hope your food basket never empty. All our extended family. Thank you very much.
Cheers! Yeah, all living hero. You have 3,000 here for you from Empress Sandra and Val.
May God continue to guide and bless you.
Alright, so Jackson, so you have 3,000 as well too from Empress Sandra and Val.
Yeah, many thanks, Empress
Sandra
and Val. Many thanks, guide and Rastafari. Give thanks and very time. Extended from more than love. Yeah, you know, you go to say every time. More than love every time. Every time.
Alright then, so we have one for Jella as well, but she's not here. You know, so Sophia was gonna put down as well. So we got some more as well too. So here from Empress Sandra and Val, thank you so much, you know. So thank you so much for helping out the members them, you know. So we give thanks, it's a blessing as well for reaching out the members them, right? So we have another list here. So as you can see, we have a list with names. You know, I have a list with names here, you know, so the names are not on the list we're going to work with as well too. You know, so this is coming from Jen from Canada as well to Jen from Canada as well too. So we have some donation here as well too. So we have start off back to natural again from Jen from Canada, $3,000 from Jen from Canada. Jen from Canada. Watching the program is good. All of the viewers, them, thank you very much by watching. I'm gonna worship out. Yeah, appreciate it. Blessed love. That is it. And we have Barney name is on the list as well too. From Jen from Canada for giving a helping hand. Here, $3,000. From Jen from Canada, respect all the time and maximum respect to all the donors and the subscribers and everybody. See what I want for worship the 2 heart man. And everybody fall in and put on. Respect and thanks again. Enough love. Alright. We have whoa.
Yeah, man. You wanna just say 2 hearts, this is our pump, the blood. This is the love. Yeah, man, 2 hearts.
Alright, so we have 3,000 here for you from Jen from Canada.
Jen from Canada. Love in a Jen from Canada. All for blessing. And even though we are there right now in a curry, brown soup I cook tonight, you know. Curry I cook last night, you know. Yeah. So I say nothing in a Jen. Enough love, you hear that?
Yes.
Yeah, for man, you don't really want to go in for man, nothing going on my chest, you know. Look how more things I put in now.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to belly in my chest, because man must say I eat too much of my belly, I get big.
Yeah.
I tell them, no. I did exercise for about 20 years, I'm going to play ball.
Yeah.
You see? Yeah, man. Jen, enough love and blessing, yeah. Them, yeah.
Yeah.
Holy for love, blessing.
Alright then, so we have
Yes, sir.
boom.
Let me
We have
take
boom
that.
name on the list as well. Boom. So you have 3,000 here for you. From Jen from Canada.
Jen.
Yeah, from Canada.
Jen from Canada. One love, blessed, thanks.
Alright then, so that's boom. I need to pick up the list. So here's the list, guys. So we have we give Barney liquor. Mother Teresa. 3,000 here for you from Jen from Canada.
Jen from Canada, thank you very much. And with the food basket never empty. I will Father God bless and keep you. All of my extended family also. One love.
I have prefect on the list from Jen from Canada.
Jen from Canada, enough love, enough appreciate and thanks. Bless up yourself. May the good Lord guide and protect. Bless up. One team, dream team.
Alright, then now we have Rasta Jackson also on the list from Jen from Canada. $3,000.
Jen from Canada, many thanks. Love you with time. That's why guide and protect going out and coming home. More than love you, Jen. Give thanks and for your time. Dream team, one team. Yeah, big yourself every time. Love you.
Okay, so we have one from Natisha, Mighty Joe Young, and who else? Esther. Alright, so Jen from Canada, I want to thank you so much. Thank you so much for blessing the members them. Thank you so much as well too. And we have who is the next one now? Mighty gone, boom gone. So we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Only live in Europe. They only live in Europe. 3,000 here for you from Jen.
Jen?
From Canada.
Alright, Jen from Canada. May God continue guide and bless you. And may give thanks. Yeah? All the time.
That is it. Alright then, so we have on the list here, so we have Natisha. And we have Esther. That's not here. So there's Natisha and Esther and Mighty Joe Young. So that's the 3. So I want to thank you so much, Jen, from Canada. We thank you so much. So let me just mark off this list. Mark off the names in there already, good?
Yeah, man,
So we have 1,000 each. So we have 1,000 each as well too from GG. For the members them. And we have 2,000 here for natural from GG. Naturalus. 2,000 here for you from GG from the USA.
GG from the USA.
Yeah.
Big up yourself. A lot of love. And thank you very much. Welcome on the program all the time by watching it. I love to see it. I know say I love to see the record going on.
Yes,
we put in the record. Yeah, go on. We want to finish worship. Bathroom, think about good bathroom, beer now.
Yeah.
We use up him
kitchen and everything.
So you see the work, man. When it finish, you will see it.
You will see it.
Live and live in color.
So we'll give thanks to GG from the USA. So we have 1,000 each now. Whoa.
Whoa.
Well, I'm going to come to you next. Talpi. 1,000 here from GG.
JJ, all for love na JJ, all for respect, all for manners. Blessed. One team,
Dream team. Barney, 1,000 here for you from GG.
Respect, GT.
GG.
Respect, Without the work still, 1 to a left,
Yes, sir. As usual. Messi.
GG, one love, blessed, thanks. Still left on it and do the work, say the way. But non-stop. Yeah.
Alright then. So I'm going to go outside now. See outside. So, hey, prefect. I have 1,000 here for you from GG as well too.
JJ, enough love, enough thanks, and well appreciate it. Bless them. The good Lord guide and protect it. Thanks again.
Alright, Teresa. 12,000 here for you from Gigi.
Thank you, Gigi. May God bless you. Yeah, and your family.
Alright then. Rasta Jackson. Yeah, 12,000 here for you from Gigi.
Yes.
As well. Yeah.
Give thanks and praise. That's why God and bless every time. Going out and coming here. Give thanks and praise every time. One love.
Alright then. Only living here.
Gigi?
Yes, Gigi.
All the time, yeah? Yeah.
Alright then, so we give thanks to Gigi. So we have some Mighty Joe, Nakisha, Jenna, you know, is not here as well too. So whenever they come around, and who was missing? So Esther as well too. So Esther is missing as well too. So whenever they comes, it's here for them. So you know the money I always put down in the vault for who have been here. So I want to thank you so much, Gigi, and all our extended family who will help out on this journey. Right, so let me put these monies aside. Money are going. Whoa! Come through, whoa. So we have 10,000 here for you from Gigi. Yes, from the USA towards the project.
Man, Gigi, you know, enough love, you know. Lieutenant, man, you see?
Yes.
Man, Gigi, enough love, holy for blessing, you know, you hear that? Yeah, man, from two art them, yeah? Enough love, blessing, love, yeah?
Yes.
Gigi, thank you very much, and, yeah?
And we also have Anna from the USA as well too. $12,000 for the world chef towards his project. Yes, man. Anna from the USA.
Yeah, man, Anna. A blessing, Anna. Yeah. Holy for blessing, enough love, you know. Yeah. Thank you very much, you know. Yeah, man, so project I go on, done it, you know, and I see the project I'm done now.
Yeah.
So when I take time and fulfill what we can fulfill, you see me, I say?
Yeah.
Holy for blessing, enough love, man. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Alright, so we have another donation as well too. From GT Girl from the USA.
GT Girl.
Yeah, GT Girl.
GT Girl twice, you know.
Yeah, so this is 31,000 from GT Girl towards the project.
GT Girl. GT Girl. Holy for blessing and enough love, you know. See, for the program I done it, you know. It reached far, you know. Yeah, you see, so you have a lot to be left for going, you see.
Yeah.
So holy for blessing, enough love. Man, who art them, you know.
Yeah.
So blessed love in a GG.
GT Girl.
GT. Enough love. Holy for love. Yeah, GT. Holy. Yeah, man.
So count it.
Again, it's not say GT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So count it then, yeah, then.
GT.
So GT Girl, they're making the worship nervous in them both art.
Yeah, man,
you know? They make the worship getting nervous in both art. Not once, twice.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Yeah. GT, thank you very much. Same thing. You know? I tell you. Nerves are come back, man, cause you see me I say?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Holy for blessed, enough love in a GT.
Yeah.
You see me I say? Yeah, man, you see?
So GT.
Yeah, man.
Yes, so GT Girl, they're making the world getting nervous.
GT Girl, I tell you. Nervous, but not really nervous like say me ever run and drop, you know?
Yeah.
You see me I say, holy for love and blessing, yeah. Enough love in a GT Girl.
Alright then, so we give thanks
to
GT Girl.
GT Girl,
yeah. Man, blessings and give thanks. So as you can see, the work that's going on here, you know, the ground have sealed now, the pipe have gone in, you know, the sewage pipe, the water pipe, and the wastewater pipe, sewage pipe, and all the pipes are connected now, you know. So see there, kitchen, water pipe as well for kitchen and everything. So the window has cut out as well to the window cut out for the kitchen, you know. And this now the door is gonna come right here. So wow, it's a good look. It's really a good look. So this one is gonna connect it next, and everything is gonna board the ground and be connected right under there. You know, and see the window that's black out already. You know, the window has black out already.
Water, quick and fast.
Flower spoil, water. It gone fast. Watch it.
Come again, come in.
Material.
Come. Quick and fast. Now man, come in.
I follow there, be a big one there. This is the wind What's that? 2 by 2?
Cement. 10 cents, 1 cement. Put cement in it. 1 cement.
What's that? 2 by 2 natural?
Yeah.
2 by 2. So far we go on. 2 by 2 windows. 1 door. So guys, so we need a 2 by 2 window. We're gonna get the door as well too. And you know we're gonna tile out the kitchen area. You know the counter is gonna tile as well too. And this room is gonna mesh and tile also. You know this is board floor, so you're gonna mesh it and tile it. And then you have the bathroom here, you know, we're also gonna tile as well too. You know, so there's some work still to get done, you know, so we're grinding slow but we're grinding still, you know. Spinning like our old sugar mill. Keep spinning, so we keep grinding, you know, because of you guys, we thank you so much for helping out and it's great, you know. If it wasn't for you guys fuel the engine, trust me, the engine that would have rusty up, stuck up and can't move, you know. I also have a good deed for Talpi as well coming up soon, natural. We have an extended family who's gonna sort out a prostate leg for him as well too. You know, so we're so we're looking forward to see you. Yes, I. So we're looking forward to see. And I want to tell you, sir, I never know, sir, so it's expensive. Not reached yet. But it's quarter.
Then I get one and I
It all depends where it come out. It all depends how far. Through Talpi alone, just below the knee. So it's different. But I want to thank our extended family so much, you know, for that. So we cannot wait for the day when the doctor come, you know, and do the measurements and stuff. So then we're going to keep you posted and you're going to know which donor, you know, that do so when the time is right. You know.
Dick! Dimitri! Where do you see it? You want to that? I told him, check here, 220 eh? How much check here?
My school. Look at my school, my football field. Out on the ball I go on training. Look at my school, guys. This used to be my school. Boy, oh, go on. All my field get dirty. Here, this was the training field. We used to play cricket. We used to train right as pan cricket. I can't go in my school for look what I go on. Yeah. Oh, see you there. Yeah. Guys, so this is used to be my school, Trenchtown. Them time it used to name comprehensive.
Yeah.
This time I used to name comprehensive when I used to go to Trenchtown. Yeah, comprehensive.
Yes,
respect. Once more. Manners. My school, listen, guys, where I used to go. Trenchtown Comprehensive High School. I know it's changed. It's like a polyastic. It's like a college, you know, right? Oh, let me go check out what go on. So what go on? Hey, see that? Him have the big team. The biggest team in the world.
You're the man. You're the man.
You see? Mr. tell them about Man United and say the biggest team in the world, you know.
Yeah.
We have the flag.
Man U there, eh?
Yeah.
I think it's a Barcelona as well.
Okay.
So two of them there, so.
Yes.
Your face.
Respect, man. So you want to support Barcelona too?
Well, me no know. If anybody support Barcelona, you probably can bless them.
You support Barcelona? No.
For me, it's just a jersey.
Yeah.
I'm a Liverpoolian.
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
Going,
Respect and thanks, man. See the guys, I get a Man U and a Barcelona.
See
but me not support Barcelona, so I can find a Barcelona fan and bust them. But you know, Man U, I'm a hard. You know, I'm a hard dad. So I say which man of the team I will say support Barcelona.
So we there alive now?
Yes, I.
Go on. We never know they're alive.
Yeah, man.
I'm see the thing that we never know. Say, when you know what I say, bless up yourself, you know.
Yes,
bless up Kino. Bless up everyone who have been donating to the people, and because Kino have been doing and the Dream Team have been doing a tremendously job. Good job.
Yeah,
you know what I mean? All over Jamaica, not just one place. The man global, even international too.
Yes.
So the man been putting in the works. You know what I mean? So we say bless up all of the donor them who've been respectively, you know, donating, you know, whatever they can give towards projects what Kino is doing. You know?
Man.
So bless and give.
Yeah, man. I would thank him so much as well, you know, the love, and it is also an excellent family after program too, you know. It's also. So whenever say you're a local man as well too from here, Zim.
Yeah, man. But you know what? I'm a jungle man.
Jungle man.
You know, I'm a jungle man.
Yeah.
Me used to go Charlie Smith as well.
Okay.
Yes. Cross part at some part, but never know. Come used to even
come play football here, so?
Cadets.
Yeah.
Used to come to the cadet and train right or so.
Okay.
But then me notice like the soldier thing never fit me because I'm already in the army. Army, so never make it still. But the two school was combined when it come to the cadets part.
And then when I football thing, you know, so we are rivalry.
Yeah.
Bassa used to come here the first, alright, so me and Bassa used to play football at them time.
Okay, during them,
yes.
And then me over
and Buffalo and all that. Yes.
So during my time, same way. I call a team name, you know. So
okay.
I saw the thing on paper. We drop a brand new album, a 9-track album. So when you check it out, it's an all major download called Jungle Man Fever.
Yes.
Ruling Lion.
Yes.
You know, just check it out, you know. Promotion me I take, right?
Yes, of course. You give them, man. So you say you can't give them something because you can't come on the program and give them like a quick freestyle for me. Where them are going here, you know. But guys, when you can check him out, I'm telling us go and check it out. You know. Give us support to our excellent family, same way. I know support it anywhere we can.
Alright, hear that one, That one another on the album, you know, but it's with the works the Kino perform right now and I put out and for Unuwa show the love and the respect and the honor. If this is not love, tell me what I am feeling. Jah love of this whole world turning. Love is here for each and every one. Show love, it no matter where you come from. If it's not love, tell me what I am feeling. Kino, you have this whole world turning. Love is here for each and every one. Show love, it no matter. Yo, I'm like a ruling lion in this jungle. Never yet fall, never stumble. In the four corners of the earth we have them tremble. All of the wicked man castle it a crumble. They should know a color team and I represent, you know, Dream Team. One team.
Says color team guys, they hear the voice, hear the lyrics, natural talent, you know. So go and give them support and all. Tell them again.
Yeah, man, Color T, when you just check out Color T, we're on all platforms. You know, say social media, them try to break it down, but we're there same way. So just check out Color T, because it's one Color T, the only color. You see me, I say?
It's on YouTube too?
Yeah, man, YouTube, we think not so big like that, you know what I mean? But it did it.
Yeah.
People know we've been in this for years now.
But with the help and support,
yeah, man,
you can get there. Instagram.
Key, you know, Tree of Life, big up all of them and them Danites, and you know what? You have to say, there, big up yourself. Anyway, there right now, just big up yourself, because I know you're going to watch this and love this. You see it, so big up yourself, baby, because I love and righteousness where I show you. See it, you have to bless it. Yeah, man. Every time, man. You see
every time.
So people, we show you, I'm a jungle man, I'm a man from the area. We come back, we show support, we show the love, and come back in the community. Because you know what? I just love and righteousness and niceness.
Of course, that is it.
They say they're right now.
And they are in jungle, where you know half and half. You know, Rima that side, you know, in jungle. But the whole place is Trench Town.
The name alone. They should know the name
Mexico.
alone. Mexico.
Right there.
You know, you have Angola over there, so you know, and then you have Zimbabwe.
Right over here, so that's Zim.
Over here, so. And then you have Jungle Top.
All the way, yeah, you name it, Texas.
You have Maxfield Avenue over there, so you know, it's just one community, one place, one Jamaica, you know what I mean?
Yes. I know out here, so when I used to go to school, I used to have the Sky Juice, man. Let me show you what I got. I used to buy the bun and cheese and box juice out there in them time there. You know, I them sell the food right across there, so I'm going to school and so I go. Bless him, General. Eh? Yeah. You too. Yeah. Kino Life in Jamaica. Yeah. Kino Life. No. That's YouTube there on Instagram. Yes, guys, maybe check me out on Instagram as well to Kino_life_in_Jamaica. You know, so always remember to check me out on Instagram also. Kino_life_in_Jamaica. So I'll check out in there. Yes, guys, so this was my school. You know how it feels now if you walk back in my school. You know how this feels. Memories. You know? Memories. Whoa. It was me I walk through years, peer memories. Watch all if you could have. You know, as me I walk through years, peer cold bombs, I truly can't see it.
And a real talk, the man talking.
You know, truly can't see it. One time I used to have Trenchtown Comprehensive High School. So now it's changed now to Polytech College. So now I'm entering back my school. Watch it. Guys, only if you could have seen the goosebumps underneath my skin right now. You know. First me I step back from leave the school here. Whoa! 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 So this is the auditorium where all devotion used to keep. You know. First time I come to Trenchtown was in 7th grade. So 7th grade was right here. It changed up.
It changed now.
It changed up. So this was the 7th grade block. So it changed up. This was 7th grade over here, 8th grade used to be over there. Indian so used to have the vice principal office and the principal. Right, so this was 7-4. Yes, this was 7-4 classroom. Right, and you have 7-3 classroom right here. You see, and before we used to have like some little fence here, like some little.
The school fruitful.
Yeah, no school fruit.
Yeah, jackfruit there. Yeah, fruits a bunch.
Yeah, but they used to have a little garden around here as well. Too. But here used to have some little like metal fence right here. You know, so this used to be 7-4, 7-3. You know, here you have 7-2. I have 7-1. And then you have the bathroom down by the end, you know. So I used to be in 7-2. So it's 7-4, 7-3. This would be my class. And then, wait, look at my class. Kino, be quiet, please. You know, this used to be my class. You know, I used to have the bathroom down here. Whoa, this dragging back memories. You know, so much memories. Damn. And the bathroom used to down here as well too. Yeah, up here. So down here is where the bathroom there as well too. Down here is the way, yes, it still remain the same. Boy bathroom, man. And upstairs where you go forget art and craft. Art and craft. It's so much things change. You know, this always like similar theme way. You know. Upstairs they used to do cadet as well to martial arts. You know?
The Trench Town used to have a lot to offer them.
Yeah, of course. Trench used to have a lot for offer. Because you have art and craft up there. You used to have martial arts. And you also have the same cadet used to go on down there as well too. When they used to go up there to learn. You know, same way. You know, but it still remain the same. You know, the auditorium lock up, right? Yeah, the auditorium lock. So this is the back part of the auditorium. Guys, boy, just feel like I'm back in school. You know, this Aki tree always been here, it never leave. You know, there's so many changes with this. When them build up these little seating area, this place is new. You know, over here so we have we call it the workshops. Over here is the workshop. So here's where devotion. It's not only devotion. We used to play football. You see them little spot here. Here, see them little gap here, right here, so. In these gaps, so you see, used to be the goal. We used to stuff box, you know, and we used to play football for money. You know, 1-on-1, you know, one man at the goal, and we are kick from right here, so we are kick from. Alright, open. Alright.
When they mention that now, I just remember, so when you know you lose your money,
yes,
could you buy a lunch? So a man say, when them say ear pie, crystal punch, you know what is that? Fresh breeze and some water.
But me never used to lose. Because this will be the goal. Here, right here is the goal. This is the goal, you know? This is the goal. I will stop the box. I'll place it right here, so. Put the box right here. A penalty shoot and the goal right there, so. You see my shoes, we used to have on one desert class, but the front used to hard.
Yeah, toe punch.
Toe punch. You see me? You saw me I beat that. You see me? I said, boy, I can't save that. Boom!
So you used to play for Trench Town?
Yeah, we used to play Pepsi and Coors and Manning Cup for Trench Town, see me. You know, and we run. Whenever we win match, or come up here on devotion time, hey, you know, everybody a clap with the winning team and everything. Over here is the canteen, you know, where you come and get your lunch. Hey, I tell you, boy. No, people come to Trench Town and never been back. So this is the canteen where I used to get my lunch. You come here and get your lunch at the canteen, you know. Okay. So when you come to school, man, this is where you get your devotion first before you go to your class. You know, so I'm back up here. Whoa. So up here, you used to have the student guidance counselor office. It was right here. This was the guidance counselor office. If you not behave too right in a school and everything, and so you go and see the guidance counselor. You know, oh, so it's empty now. Yeah, so this used to be the guidance counselor office. One time I ever come in here. One time, because they might tell you to quiet in the class, you know, quiet and everything. They keep on and do it over and over. So them say I come in here one time, because they think I was trouble. This was the guidance counselor office, you know.
For the honor roll.
These are the long time names.
Yeah.
Look, see Marvin name here.
Alive.
Marvin Pollack. Yeah, see that?
One, yeah.
Academic. So Marvin Pollack, the we are talking about. So the man name is on it. Marvin Pollack. Yeah, we used to play cricket as well together. I know she meet her back as well, Tamika Jackson. Yeah, I meet her downtown. But obviously when she was coming here, I wasn't here them time, but when she see me, she recognized because she used to watch. And hear me talk about this Trench Town, you know. So we have Marvin Pollack, because them man there, you know, proper in the cadet, you know. Yeah, man. The man there was Lance Corporal, and see him end up becomes now, you know.
Is he one of the twins? You know he have a twin.
No, him not a twin.
The twin them used to come, I think Charlie they come.
Oh, Ian and Leon. One of them there, right? I know which twin you talk, man. Oh, I go on that side, which part the workshop them used to there now. You know, around here used to be the workshop. It's when they used to upstairs there back in the days when time the war used to go on. When you open them classroom, they can see everything will go on. You see the man them run up and down around there, so you know, yeah, watch the man them run from over Zim, you know, run at the back around there, so hey, you can see everything. So around there so was the art shop, the workshop around here. Yeah, you could do the woodwork, mechanic, You know, there's so much I could have worked with. The machine shop used to be around here. Cause this was me used to enter this the woodwork shop as well too. This was me. Yeah. Okay. These are the welding as well too. Work still. Yes, man. So guys, say Trenchtown it's either you don't want to come out learning nothing at all, you can learn something, you know. You can definitely learn something. So this was my school back in the day. So you have a choice, you could learn something. Blessed sir. Eh? Yeah, this was my, well, I used to come Trenchtown back in the days.
How long now?
I leave here 2001.
Oh.
2000, where I check out back, you know?
Yeah, check out the one.
Yes, the first time back here, you know?
Oh.
In my school. I realized the workshop's still here as well, too, still active. You know? You stay here a long time too?
Eh?
You stay here a long time too, though? Anna Dixon?
No, Dixon dead.
Dixon dead?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. What's your name again?
Carr.
Carr. Mr. Carr.
Yeah.
You see, remember Aquino?
Oh, no, God.
Yeah, Mr. Carr must.
You change now.
We change now.
Make sure and do it. That's good.
But Mr. Carr wasn't that bad, right?
No, man, no, you're a bad boy, man. You look at trouble, but you come out now. You know me talking to you.
So Mr. Carr, remember me? Mr. Carr, I wasn't that bad. Yeah. But I was.
Yeah, you get in trouble. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, say I give a little trouble.
Man,
you know?
you grow to be a man now and understand the thing.
Yeah.
We try to fight, you know, for be.
Yeah. Because Mr. Carr was been here from the foundation, you know, from when we were youth, I play football and everything. You know, I must show them one time we at the term I play box football.
Yeah.
You know, and I little thing.
And you could steer around this, so when I back here, sir.
Yeah. When I back around here, sir, as well too. But the only thing, I was a good student in class, right, Mr. Carr?
yeah, you learn this.
Of course I learned. But the only thing we used to give trouble after.
Yeah. Trouble sometimes. We shout and make nice and fix it, put it in a place. Early. Yeah, we got to see, man.
Yes,
years
man.
that you know.
Holy for years, man. Holy for years. Come see Al Marvin Polak and me now the auditorium as well too.
Yeah, we do on a road.
Yeah. I know the man there was a proper prefect in the days, you know.
Sure.
You see me? Proper. But remember say, Mr. Carr, remember say me was a student counselor when I was in 8th grade, so I wasn't that bad.
Just that to say 8th grade, that? 8th grade.
Oh, 8th grade, but 7th grade was a different thing.
Yeah, grade is the one. You're kind of secular in grade 9, grade 9.
9, yeah, 9.
Yeah, because you know finish.
Yeah. So him say a 7th grade I was given the problem. Yeah, 7th grade was wild, but 8th grade will calm down. Because 8th grade now I get student counselor, you know?
Yeah, we have to give one position to keep it quiet.
Yeah, okay. So Mr. Carson them give me a position to keep me quiet. That's what I'm telling you, I hear them seminar the guidance counselor office one time, you know? You know, because this we used to trouble each other a lot, you know. I in a class we used to muster each other. You know. We used to love to muster. And sometimes pure nice we make a muster here. But Mr. Carr always was a good teacher them still, you know?
Sometimes, most of the time I try to guide, you know. Yeah, what they maybe says, you know, thing they did, she no, she never know, they left grade 9.
Yeah. Right. Yeah, man, I'm glad to meet you back again now, you know? Yeah, man. Feel about the anger, the days.
They could come grace to get in the early days.
Yes.
Keep quiet.
You see, them time the teacher used to beat me, you know? You know, no teacher now beat nobody. One time we used to get beaten, you know? Well out your hand. Next hand, wow. Next one, wow.
So true.
So true, memories.
My class and I learn how to get 3 lick work come out.
Of course. Leaks.
Yeah, man, I touch them up on. When I know how come to stop, when I go boy in a grade 7, grade 8 tell me one time, say, sir, why are you punishing yourself? But I stay back with them.
Yeah.
I didn't say no, so the boy right. Right, you know, they'll start beat them now. Come is to stay back first. And the boy said, I punish myself in the evening too. So, alright. So I start getting 3 again at the end. That boy, you when I tell him, so I take my 3 quick and come out, you know, I don't do nothing.
Yeah, they don't want a detention.
Yeah, this is what that means. So, some are hard for curve, but in the curve. And you know what, they buck up the youth there in New York, you see him. I like to see him. Yeah.
See it there. It's glad to know, say, boy, because once I walk through that gate, I pure goosebumps. I like,
remember?
Yes, coming back into Trench Town, you know. Boy.
Like a young boy.
Yes.
Yeah, I never done grade 11.
No, leave your grade 9 and then went to England. And then book up Seymour over there as well, Seymour Virgo.
Yeah?
Yeah, so over there I'm going to book him up as well too. Seymour, because Seymour to leave before me as well. So we leave you at grade 9. Wow. Alright then, Mr. Carr. Yeah man, big up. Yes man.
And just be safe, you know?
Yes I.
Yeah, live and survive and be happy.
You know, because we leave to be a good person. Because we leave here with the talent, you know, playing football same way. So when I was over there, I was playing football same way.
Yeah.
So nothing never did change.
Yeah, good.
Nothing never changed. Big up my general.
Yeah, respect.
So these are the younger generation now, right? Take heed, you know, yeah? Take heed. Lucky now these days, we do not get no beat like we. We used to get beaten back in the days.
Sweet.
Here I come, pick cherry. A cherry tree is still no move same here. Yeah man, Trench Town.
Yeah. Okay. Alright then, so
Sweet man.
I'll try and give you a call tomorrow then.
After that does it, then you keep.
We'll see how it goes. Sweet man. And if I don't see you, I'm a see you.
Oh, so to play football as well too. Oh, so to play football. Yeah. Right on top as we play football, I used to hang out under the tree. Sometime when I hear the school bell ring for lunchtime up, we still under the tree. And when the teacher them come, hey, see you in the right, 7th grade. We were like just unruly. You know?
The 8th grade, you change up.
Yeah. Yeah, the man tell say, yeah, girl, stop the trouble. And the man give me a role, student council, all this.
Yeah.
Say, no, so you have to stay. Give responsibility then. Get no feel. We used to have some seats, used to run here as well too. We have a mango tree. They move them seat there. They used to sit down around here as well at lunchtime. This was some seated area. Yeah, we take the up here so we used to play football. When you come on to lunchtime, or in school I play football up here so. Hey. Alright, Trench Town. When you're there so, and the vice principal, Mr. Reed, just come right there so I'm prepared. Appear running. I'm sorry, but once him see him clock your face, you know. So you know, so you ever come in the office to get whooping. You know? This was it, man. Trench Town. I'm gonna leave here quite early still, you know, to the UK. Yeah, boy. That was it, man. Feel the Trench Town fever here. I don't remember what some of these class was as well too, but some of these it was like a lab. You up here was a science lab. Yes.
IT lab.
Yeah, up here so was a lab. And you have the computer room there. Up this that's the computer room as well too, but you have to walk from the other side to go into the computer room. And if you can walk back through that gate here. Yeah. The football spot, boy. Trench Town Rock. I did tourium. Oh, it have black on it? Yeah, they don't have black on it, so if we walk back around it. That was my last wall on there. Up here was my last classroom. 9th grade. 9th grade. Up here 9th grade. I'm going to say 8th grade. Up here 9th grade. So my class used to be the which one? The third one? 1, 2, 3, yeah, the third one. So we're in the classroom there now. Hey, you can see everything what go on in a Zimbabwe when shut a fire. Yeah, look and see man stay start run. And you're like, and the man, yo, look, see them there. And so at the back part, they say you can see your body run got away there.
Those were the days.
Those were the days. When I was school and shot start fire, you pure nice. Pick me a bar from left to right. You know, so I was going to the office, you know. Miss Smith.
HR department.
Upstairs. Hey, it was too much, man. Trenchtown. At least Keena was here. Back again, you know.
I can come back and visit.
Yes.
That is
You
it.
can come back and visit when the teacher them is here and everything, you know. Trust me. So that is it, guys. So here is part of me, you know. So I just show you a part of me, the school that I used to attend to. You know, how wonderful is this? So from today forward, Natural is a Barcelona supporter.
Yeah, I get one.
Natural, here you go, Barcelona.
Yeah, man.
So welcome.
Welcome to Barcelona and big up Barcelona.
Yes.
All the time, every time. One love to Barcelona.
Yeah. So big up yourself, Gerald.
Yeah.
You see me, and I'm get my manual again.
Yeah.
So you know it's a big match. This is a Barcelona versus Man U, you know.
Yeah.
You know, rival. Arsenal.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Chelsea.
Yes, man. Blue. True blue.
Here at Chelsea too.
Yeah, we're not changing.
So see them Man U. Color red.
You know what I'm saying?
Color red, guys.
No, buckle, foot our buckle. Foot our look buckle.
Respect.
I'm a bourbon. I'm a bourbon.
Jump on my shop. I said time when the board I jump on my shop.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.